ZipE is more than an anchor-based fixation system. It is designed to provide the missing bioresorbable tendon-side compression layer for reconstruction and fixation in existing anchor-based repair systems. In tendon-to-bone repair, initial fixation matters, but successful repair also depends on how fixation is built, controlled, and distributed across the tissue. The procedure begins by passing the ZipE suture through the tip of the existing anchor, ensuring symmetric loading and proper alignment with the intended button orientation. The anchor is then inserted into bone according to its standard technique, fixing the ZipE suture and establishing the bone-based foundation to repair. The suture is passed through the tendon on the posterior side of the planned horizontal repair. The tendon is settled onto its footprint, and the first ZipE button is advanced to the tissue, initiating controlled tendon-side fixation. The same sequence is repeated on the anterior side. Tendon passage, settling, and advancement of the second button to complete the construct. With its BioLock mechanism, ZipE enables controlled one-sided button advancement and sequential fixation. BioWasher technology increases the tissue support area, while vertical compressive forces help create a stronger, more balanced repair. Rather than replacing the anchor surgeons already trust, ZipE works with them, adding the missing bioresorbable tendon-side compression layer to improve control, positioning, and coverage for more complete repair construct. ZipE does more than add fixation. It completes the repair, expanding the value of existing repair systems.